Hello guys, welcome to today's episode on our channel. I remain Joshua Victor Emmanuel, the voice or face behind Birch Luxury. And in this channel we have the goal of reviewing kitchenwares, most especially silver crest blender. We also have other kitchenwares we would love to review much later in future, but based on our schedule, on the content we have at hand, we are going to be dealing with silver crest mostly at this point in time. We'll soon start to review the food processors and then other kitchenwares. But for today, this is what we want to talk about: the silver crest blender. Our interest for today's content is to address the fact or the question that bothers so many people. Before they make a purchase of the silver crest blender, they have it at the back of their mind, or maybe they are lingering in thought of what can this silver crest really do for me. And so there are so many questions with regards to this. One of those questions they usually ask is, can I blend pepper very smoothly with the silver crest blender? Can I make tiger nut juice with the silver crest blender? Can I make moi moi or akara, that is blend beans to a very smooth paste which can give me what I want? And some others ask, can I blend corn or can I grind corn to a very smooth texture? Now, as you can see today's content, the essence is not to show you how to make mayonnaise, but we are here to show you how multifunctional the silver crest blender can be. And so in today's content, we are going to show you how you can use the silver crest blender to make mayonnaise. We are also going to show you how to use the silver crest blender to blend pepper. We are also going to show you how to use the silver crest blender to make tiger nut drink, and we're also going to show you how to use the silver crest blender to make your akara or moi moi. We're also going to show you how you can use the silver crest blender to grind corn to give you a very smooth texture. So while watching this video, if you like what we are doing here, please consider to give it a thumbs up by liking the video. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and turn up your post notification. That's the bell icon right now. If you can do that, that's going to help us a lot. And so let's head back to the video of the day. What can you achieve with the silver crest blender? So we're going to start first with making mayonnaise. As you can see on the video here, the process is still ongoing, but let me just tell you something. In the process of making this mayonnaise, well, it didn't come out very thick as we would have loved it to. So as you are seeing the process which it takes us to make the mayonnaise, what do you think could have gone wrong? Please, if you think something went wrong while trying to make the mayonnaise, or why it didn't come out very thick as I would love it to be, kindly drop that on the comment section. If you think you know the reason, I guess we do, but I just want to see if you're paying attention. Just drop on the comment section why you think today's mayonnaise didn't come out thick. We will appreciate your comments and would like to engage you as well. But when I make this mayonnaise, I was like, what am I going to use it for? And so it came to my mind that we should try something else. And that is why one of the kitchenwares we are planning to review, which is the kitchen expert or the food processor or the meat grinder, the electric meat grinder, is what we're going to use to mince our vegetables. That is, we're doing carrots, we're doing cabbage, and we are doing green bell pepper. So we are going to see how this machine is going to mince this vegetable, and we're going to see how it's going to do that. If it's actually going to do it very well, we are going to see. But let me tell you something. While in the process of also making this video, because this is a solo video shot by me, I mistakenly did not shoot the part where I was mincing the vegetables. That was so devastating. But however, I'm just going to show you the final product of what this machine did in terms of mincing. Ta-da! See, it did the job greatly well. And so the meat grinder, or the electric meat grinder, or the food processor, is actually a good machine. The power in which this machine used to mince the vegetable was so amazing. I was extremely shocked myself. In a subsequent video, we're going to show you how this food processor or meat grinder can be used to improvise, that is, to make yam poundo. Okay, so we'll do that in our subsequent video. So that's all for showing you how to do mayonnaise or make mayonnaise with the silver crest blender, which proved to us that it is indeed truly a multifunctional blender robot. Let us see how we can also do other food items like pepper. I wouldn't count pepper among the hard food nuts, but there is something quite different about this spice. Little wonder when you go to the market to grind your pepper, you'll see that the big women in the market, they'll have to go over the process over and over again for you to have something very smooth. Actually, let's see if this blender can actually do that in a few minutes or thereabout. If you watch this video carefully, I had violated one of the instructions, which is if you're grinding hard nuts, you have to make sure that some quantity of it is above the blade, and I didn't do that. But let's see how this blender is going to fare at the end of the day. I'm also going to cut the video short so that you can see the final results. Hopefully you like what you see, and then know that not all silver crest blender can actually achieve this. It is actually a different brand of blender. Tiger nut drink is one of those drinks that is being relished by many, especially those who are lactose intolerant. But because of the many processes it takes to make one, the question of hygiene is being called upon. And so what can help you to make a good and hygienic tiger nut drink? Of course, is a silver crest blender, but it has to be the right model, because without the right model you can't get this smooth consistency. And so if you were able to get the original silver crest blender and of course the right model, you will be able to make very smooth tiger nut, one which you and your family are gonna enjoy. Many people do ask, can you use a silver crest blender to blend beans for moi moi or okara? Well, here is your answer. The silver crest blender, the original and of course the right model, can help you to achieve this goal. It will grind you or blend your beans and give you a very smooth paste, one which you can use to make your moi moi or your okara, which you and your family are gonna enjoy. So just go for the right one and you'll be fine. How about smoothies? For those who are on the fitness journey, you would like to make smoothies so that you can keep fit and healthy. Of course, the silver crest blender will help you to achieve this. The smoothie made from silver crest blender will be so smooth. In fact, you may not even see what is being blended in the blender. And so if you get one, look at how smooth this can be. Of course, yes, you can trust this model. Maize is one of those hard nuts that can give you a challenge trying to grind or blend. And so for nursing mothers, if you're looking for a blender that can help you to make your baby meals, here is a solution for you. The 9525 model of a silver crest blender is that which can help you to achieve those goals. There are a lot of things you'd want to do for your baby and you wouldn't want to take it to the public because your baby's health is of utmost importance. And so if you can get this, this is the solution for you and your baby.